Welcome back with a new math tutorial. In this video, we'll talk about solving multi-step equation. As we said before, equation is the equality of two terms. The left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. And solving equation, it's mean find the value of the variable which makes the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. Multi-step equation, it's mean we have more than one operation. That's what we will find in question number 1. We have 15 multiplied by 20 plus d equals to 420. As the first one, so we have a bracket use distributive property. So we have here 15 multiplied by 20 will be equals to 300 plus 15 times d which equals to 15d. That will be equals to 420. As we explained before, in solving the equation we need to start with adding and subtracting. Once you find adding and subtracting, you need to solve it. So we have here plus 300. 300 is positive, so we'll use minus 300. So 15d will be equals 420 minus 300 will be equals to 120. Once you find a number multiplied by the variable divided by this number, so I just divided by 15. So d will be equals 120 divided by 15 will be equals 8. You will find the same in question number 2. Negative 3 multiplied by 9 plus x equals to 33. Negative 3 times 9 equals to negative 27. Negative 3 multiplied by x will be equals to negative 3x. That will be equal to 33. At the first we have minus, so it shifted to be plus. So by adding 27. So negative 3x will be equals 33 plus 27, the answer will be equals to 60. Now we have here negative 3 multiplied by x. So just we divided by negative 3. So x will be equals 60 divided by negative 3, the answer will be equals to negative 20. In question number 3 we have 5 multiplied by a minus 7 equals to 27. 5 times a would be equals to 5a. 5 times negative 7 will be equal to negative 35. That will be equal to 25. Now we have minus 35. So by adding 35. So 5a will be equals 25 plus 35 equal to 60. Just divide the number which multiplied by the value. So I divided by 5. So a will be equals 60 divided by 5, the answer will be equals to 12. In question number 4, we have negative 8 times w minus 6 equal to 32. Negative 8 times w equals to negative 8w. Negative 8 times negative 6 would be equals to positive 48. Equals, let's write 32. Now we have plus 48, so I will subtract 48. So negative 8w would be equal. Now 32 minus 48 would be equal to negative 16 divided by negative 8. So w will be equals negative 16 divided by negative 8 would be equals to. In question number 9 we have 8 multiplied by 4 minus 2x equals 4 times 3 minus 5x plus 4x. At the first use distributive property. So 8 times 4 equal to 32. 8 times negative 2 would be equals to negative 16x. Equals 4 times 3 will be equals to 12. 4 times negative 5 will be equals to negative 20x. That's plus 4x. Now we have alike terms. We have negative 20x and 4x. So simplify it. So 32 minus 16x would be equals. Just write 12. Negative 20x plus 4x would be equal to negative 16x. Once we have here negative 16x at the left-hand side, negative 16x at the right-hand side, cancel them out. So the remainder from the left-hand side which is equal to 32, and from the right-hand side which is 12. If you look at the two numbers, you will find that they are not equal. Once we have here two numbers are not equal, it means there is no solution for the equation. In question number 10, we have 3 times 6 minus 4x equals negative 2 times 6x minus 9. At the first, use distributive property. 3 times 6 would be equals to 18. 3 times negative 4 will be equals to negative 12x. Equals negative 2 times 6 will be equal to negative 12x. Negative 2 times negative 9 will be equal to positive 18. If you look at the left-hand side and right-hand side, you will find that they are equal. We have positive 18 and positive 18, so we can cancel them out. Now the remainder is negative 12x equal to negative 12x. You will find that both of them are equal. Once we have here the left-hand side equal to the right-hand side, it means the solution will be all real numbers. In question number 11 we have 2 multiplied by 3x plus 5 equals 5 times 2x minus 4 minus 4x. Use distributive property. 2 times 3x will be equal to 6x. 2 times 5 will be equals 10 equals 5 times 2x will be equals to 10x. 5 times negative 4 will be equal to negative 20 minus 4x. Now we just write 6x plus 10 equals. Once we have a like term, so simplify them. 10x minus 4x equal to 6x minus 20. In the left hand side we have 6x and right hand side we have the same. Cancel them out. So the remainder from the left, which is 10. The remainder from the right, which is negative 20. You will find that they are not equal. Once you find here the left hand side is not equal to the right hand side, it means there is no solution. In question number 12 we have 8z minus 22 equals 3 multiplied by 3z plus 11 minus 3. So we have here 8z minus 22 is equals 3 times z equals to 9z plus 3 times 11 equal to 33 minus z. In the right hand side we have a like terms. So we have 8z minus 22 is equals 9z minus z equals to 8z plus 33. You will find that the left hand side and right hand side we have 8z. Cancel them out. The remainder from the left, which is negative 22, and the remainder from the right, which is 33. You will find that they are not equal. It means there is no solution. Now with the problem solving. Enter both 3 snacks and 10 ride tickets. Each ride ticket costs $1.50 less than the snack. If you spent a total of $24, what was the cost of each snack? So at the first, I don't know the price of the snack. Let the price of the snack is X. Now the price of the ticket is $1.50 less than the price of the snack. So it's mean less than, it's mean minus. Less than we change the order. 1.50 less than, it's mean 1.50 will be after the minus sign. The price of the snack now will be equals to X. So just write the price of the snack and the price of the ticket. The price of the snack is X. And the price of the ticket is X minus $1.50. Now he bought 3 snacks. So it will be 3 multiplied by X, which is equal to 3X. And the 10 tickets, it's mean 10 multiplied by X minus 1.50. The total cost is 24. The meaning of the total cost is to mean we add them. Once we add the price of the 3 snacks and the price of the 10 tickets, it will be equal to 24. So 3x plus 10 multiplied by x minus 1.50. The total cost now will be equal to $24. Now we can solve the equation. That's 3x using distributive property. So 10 multiplied by x will be equal to 10x. 10 multiplied by 1.50 will be equal to 15. That will be equal to 24. Now simplify. So we have here 13x minus 15 equals to 24. Once we have minus 15, it's mean adding 15. So 13x will be equals to 39. We divided by 13, so x now will be equals to 3. Once we have x equal 3, it's mean the price of the snack will be equal to $3 and the price of the ticket will be 3 minus 1.50, which equals to $1.50. And that's how can we solve the multi-step equation.